In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share Google Slides in Zoom while still being able to see your presenter notes. If you're an educator, a corporate trainer, or anyone who shares information through presentations, this guide is for you. Let's make sure your next Zoom presentation runs smoothly while keeping your notes private. We'll start by heading over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. You can easily find it by typing Google Slides into your search engine and clicking the first link. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account credentials. Be sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're making a new presentation, you can choose a blank slide deck or select one of Google's ready-made themes for a polished, professional look right away. With your presentation ready, take a moment to review your slides and check your presenter notes. These notes will help you deliver your content smoothly while staying focused on your audience. Now let's shift to Zoom. Open the Zoom application on your computer and start a new meeting. From the meeting interface, go to the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and click on the share screen icon. A window will appear showing all the open windows on your computer. Select the window with your Google Slides presentation. Once you've chosen the correct window, click the share button at the bottom right. At this point, your audience will see your slides, while only you will have access to the presenter view and notes. This lets you stay on track with your talking points without your audience seeing the behind-the-scenes details. And that's it. Using this technique enhances the flow of your presentation, keeps you organized, and makes you appear more professional. Whether you're teaching a class, leading a meeting, or hosting a workshop, this method ensures you can deliver effectively while staying confident and prepared. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you elevate your future presentation.